Good morning to everyone. I am Kuldeep Swami, physics teacher, Suraj School, Mandakot. Today our topic will be equation of motion. Equation of motion. Let us consider a body having initial velocity u and final velocity v, moving with constant acceleration a in time t. Let us consider that a body having initial velocity u and final velocity v, moving with a constant acceleration a in the time t. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. So acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So by cross multiply, v minus u is equal to at and v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation of motion. V is equal to u plus at, and this equation is known as velocity time relation. This equation is known as velocity time relation. This is the first equation of motion. Second equation of motion is known as distance time relation. From here, let body cover s distance in t time. Let body cover s distance in t time with initial speed u and final speed v. So average speed of body will be equal to final speed plus initial speed divided by 2. This is the average speed. Now we know that distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to s, speed is equal to v plus u by 2 into t. According to first equation of motion, we have studied that v is equal to u plus at. So s is equal to u plus at plus u divided by 2 and into time t. Now from here we can say that s is equal to 2u plus at divided by 2 and into time t. So s is equal to 2ut plus at square by 2 and s is equal to ut plus half of at square. This is the second equation of motion, and this equation is known as the distance time relation. Dear student, we have a body which covers the distances in time t with initial speed u and final speed v. So their average speed will be equal to v plus u by 2. So distance is equal to speed into time. From here s is equal to v plus u by 2 into t. We know that v is equal to u plus at from the first equation of motion. So S is equal to u plus at plus u divided by 2. So S is equal to u plus u, 2u plus at divided by 2 into t. So S is equal to 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2. So from here S is equal to ut plus half of at square. Thank you.